Good morning, teachers and students. This is Phil and Ephraim coming to you from Bulldog Bites HQ. Today we're going to show you all about our Rocketbook. Hopefully this will help you in your classroom or at home. So Phil, did you know that Americans use about 85 million tons of paper a year? That's like 680 pounds per person.
I did not know that. That is crazy.
Yeah, about 1 billion trees worth of that paper is just thrown away every year. This is only in the US.
We need to stop that.
Yeah. Well, the Rocketbook we have here is hopefully going to help prevent this malusage of paper.
Rocketbook? What's that?
So, the Rocketbook is just like any other notebook, just regular cover. There's pages on it. Except what's special about these pages and this pen that it comes with, the friction pen, is you can just reuse it completely.
Reuse? Like, how?
Yeah, so after you write your notes, like these stats we have here about the paper, you can either erase part of it with the erasable pen, or you take out your cellular device after you download the Rocketbook app. As you can see, I already have all my notes here. You click on this little camera setting here, then I'll back away, that way you can scan the entire page. There we go. Then your page just goes right down there on the bottom. You click on next, then you can send it to like 8 different locations. You can send it to your photos. If you have a OneDrive account, which you should, you can send it to your OneDrive, your email. It's all up to you. I like to send it to my photos, that way I have quick access to it. But after that, it sends through. You can X out, you can look at your notes there again, or you could always just go to your photos to look at it. When you're all done with that, what makes it reusable is you take the washcloth that comes with it, you dampen it a bit, and you just wipe it off, all gone.
Wow.
Then you could take like the dry end and clean it up if you want. But you never really want to leave the ink too long on the paper, or else it might stain it, but that's like over a time period of days or maybe even a week. So you want to try to clean it off as soon as you can. But it's this barcode down here that makes it special. That allows you to scan it, wipe it clean, and just reuse it for your next class or the next day if you're doing this at home. It's really a great tool, and I even bought one for myself because I just really liked it.
This Rocketbook seems awesome.
Yeah, it's really amazing, and it's great that we're starting to integrate this into our classrooms. It's a great thing to get involved in. But that about's going to wrap up the video. We really hope you like the Rocketbook and all the opportunities you can have with it. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you're having any issues with your subject or you want to see more of this product or maybe another product, just fill out a request ticket in the link of our description below and we'll be happy to make a custom YouTube video. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day.